sit comfortably in a quiet place with your spine up tall. Relax your shoulders, your belly, and your thighs. Shift back slightly so your head and your shoulders sit directly over your hips. Close your eyes and feel into the connection between your hips or your legs and the earth. As you breathe gently in and out through your nose, allow yourself to get further settled into your seat. With this rooting down, notice the energy you receive back from the earth. Feel how your connection to the support underneath you helps you feel tall, awake, and alive. Remain connected to the body and the breath. Aware of the body and the breath, and feel how the body seemingly breathes by itself. Notice into the wonder of the rise and fall of your chest, the wonder of the continual movement of the breath. Soften into a deep feeling of gratitude for the body itself and for your breath. Sense your heart opening to the miracle that is your body. Recognize all the wonderful ways in which it functions and all the amazing ways in which it allows you to connect with your world. Feel your heart open to the miracle that is your breath. Conjure up a heartfelt gratitude as you delve into this present moment awareness. recognize how precious and how extraordinary your breath and your body are. Feel your body softening and opening into this awareness. Feel all tension releasing from your forehead, your shoulders, your belly, and your thighs. Intentionally, ever so slightly, turn up the corners of your mouth into a subtle smile. Notice how the body reacts to this subtle smile and turn towards that sensation. Label that sensation as happiness, as joy, or as bliss, and sit with it for a few moments. Hold your subtle inner smile and explore. Notice what arises. Notice too that this sensation of joy is available to you, right here, right now. Doing something as simple as sitting still, watching and noticing, right here and right now. You can be present, the more you can free yourself from thinking about what comes next. can free yourself from ruminating, the more you are available to notice this joy. Notice that joy doesn't so much as arise, but joy is revealed. Joy is most available to you when you are available to be nowhere other than right here, right now. Rest your whole body in this state of joy and identify with this bliss as who you really are. This happiness, this joy, this bliss is what remains when you drop all your superficial thinking. What remains when you're nowhere other than present and mindful, right here. This joy is you. It is your natural state. Recall this sensation and remember that this joy, as you, is available to you at any time. Anytime you'd like to come back to this feeling, all you need to do is stop what you're doing and notice. So, right here, acknowledge the ease, the spaciousness. Acknowledge the gratitude and awe. Acknowledge your inner smile and the sensation of joy. Get to know joy in this moment and make a promise to remember joy, to turn towards joy, and to notice who it is that you truly are, even as you return to your day. Whenever you feel comfortable, gently open your eyes.